channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. Today I want to show you how to source quality products from Alibaba. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to your Play Store. You type Alibaba, you install it. I already have it, so I'll just open it.
Company Limited. We are the
I'm doing this video the second time because I did it the first time and it did not have sound. So okay, now when you install the app, this is what it looks like, right? So today we are talking about how to source your products from Alibaba. After that, we'll go to how to create an account on Alibaba, right? So you go, we have manufacturers, right? These are different things on Alibaba. Okay, now let's say you want some S24 S24 Ultra Original. You click on it, it will open. Can you see? The first option says the phone is a 16 GB RAM. The price is 22,849 francs. The minimum order is one piece. The second phone says it is a 5G mobile phone. All right, this one has 58% or 5 days dispatch. I'm looking for verified manufacturers. I don't just want to buy from anybody. Okay, you see this one, high equipment 2025 new arrive. I'll click on it because it is verified. I only buy from verified suppliers, so you should buy from verified suppliers. So you see, this is the phone, this is the logistics. Protection for this product, you deliver it via Alibaba Logistics, secure payment. You can use a Visa, a card, PayPal, Google, or you can use mobile money if you're in Cameroon. Okay, the attributes of this phone is a 7 screen HD screen resolution, Android 13 operation system. But let me be honest with you, when I chat up with this supplier, he told me this phone is Android version 8.1, not 13. Here they say Android version is 13, but the supplier told me it's 8.1. So it is always good to chat them up so that they can tell you more. Then you come here, you see they have 5-star review, which means a good product. Now these are some of the review. Very good phone, order is very fast, right? You scroll. Now you scroll under, you also see, as you scroll down, you always see more products that they are producing. You see their location. The name of this phone is S25 Ultra. It's a Chinese brand, standard dual SIM quality, a slot support SIM card, another slot support SIM card or TF card, place of origin China, logo, customer logo is accepted, the frequency of the phone, the color of the phone. They have white, they have army green, they have purple, they have black. The packing, one Samsung phone, one charger, one headphone, one user manual, one phone case, one phone protection, the multifunctions of the phone, full screen, face recognition, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, GPS, gravity. These are just the basic informations of this product, right? Now, if you want to talk to the supplier, you click on this chart. Can you see? If you buy this phone now, today is the what's the date of today? Today is the 15 or is it 16? I don't even know. I think today is the 15. When you buy this phone, they'll deliver it to you by June 10. You will have the product June 10. That's the day they'll send it there. Okay, I don't want to chat with the supplier. I leave the chat, go back. The battery, the SIM card. Okay, you go now. Let's say you want to chat with Blender. Blender, you click on it. Okay, these are different types of blender. This other company, they are currently live right now. So if I click on it, okay, this actually join their live. Let me try to join their live and see. Can you guys see that? They are live. They are live, right? Okay, let me leave. Can I see your catalog? I want to get products catalog. Stephanie Nyonga, can you see my name? Alright, I don't want to be live with them, right? So I have to log out. Alright, I log out of the chat. So you see, these are different types of blenders on the website on the Alibaba app. You see this blender. Do you know how much you sell this blender in Cameroon? So I sell this blender for 25,000 francs. You don't give me copyright. No, you should give me copyright. You see this Atalaku that they are doing, they want to let's stop it like that. They want to blend that glass. The real blender does not blend that glass because I remember the one I had at home cannot even blend beans. Though the first one I had was really strong. So what they do is that they have different qualities of products, right? You are the one to choose a quality that you want, right? You choose the quality of the one that you want, and then it has a different price, right? This blender, some people they sell this blender for 25,000, some people sell it for 35,000. Gosh. Yeah, so you see, can you see? This a blender. Blender is really strong. This particular blender, this silver crutch is really strong. It's a strong blender. Okay, you go back here. Let's go to which other product again. Which other product are you interested in? Let me say raincoat. Raincoat. Raincoat waterproof. Yeah, raincoat waterproof. This is a raincoat. You see the price of one? They say one of these raincoat is 348 francs CFA from 3 piece, but from 100 piece you get it at 271 francs CFA. You see, and they have different colors. They have five different colors and one size. Yeah, they have it in one size. See, so you come here, you include the quantity that you want. Let's say you want blue 10. You tap the plus icon, 10 piece. You see, this is it under here. It says 3,400 and okay. Now let's say you put another 10 here. Put another 10 here. The more you order, the cheaper the price. That's what Alibaba is all about. But Alibaba is a middleman. That's what I can tell you for a fact, right? So you see the price now is 13,927 francs. And believe me, these raincoats they are very light. They are not heavyweight. You see, you have the universal, you have the modern, you have the adult, rainproof pants, raincoat, rainwears. You see, always buy from suppliers who are verified. Let me play a clip of this video on the website. It should not give me copyright. You see, this is the picture of it. I bought this thing in Bamenda for 500 francs. When I went for my father's funeral, I bought it for 500 francs. If you want to buy more, you can even buy it at 100 francs, depending on how you negotiate. Because there's always room for negotiation. You see, these ones, they are verified. And there are different qualities, right? Yes, there are different qualities. Can you see this one? This one looks much more thicker. Yeah, before they give me copyright. Yeah, you see this one, it comes in red, purple, light green. Which color is this? This color and this color. So this one comes in six different colors. Dark gray, yeah, dark gray. And this one, the quality is much more thicker than the previous one, you see. So always tell them the quality of what you want. You see, this is it. So always also scroll under, you have different categories. So that's just what I want to show you all today. If you have any other question, drop it in the comment section. Like I said, if you're in Cameroon, you can pay through your mobile money. You can either take through the flight or you take the sea. With the flight, it takes from 3 days to about 14 days, depending on your quantity. But with the sea, is from 20 to about 60 days or 30 to 60 days. With the details, when you're doing your payment, they will always tell you that and they will give you the tracking information to track your products. So thank you so much for watching. Any other question, just drop it down in the comment section.